Welcome to our video on tracking attendance. To track or view attendance records, go to People Attendance. This window was designed to maintain attendance records of individuals who attended church-wide events such as Sunday services, communion, etc. The window will open to display attendance for the current year and 2 years prior by default. To see more than 2 years, click on the 3 dots in the top right to change the filter. The top of the window lists your current attendance folders. This is where you would create new folders and edit the details of those folders. The bottom of the window displays the dates within the selected folder and their respective attendance numbers. This is where you edit attendance records. To add an attendance folder, click Add New Folder at the top of the screen. The new folder will default to your current fiscal year. Your cursor will focus on the folder name field and will default to New Folder Number. Give the folder a name such as Sunday Service, Worship, etc. If you want to track different event times within a folder, click the Track Times button in line with the folder to change it to Yes. Tracking times is helpful if you have multiple services that you want to track separately. You can also use this to track your online service attendance. This field is flexible and can be used in the way that best suits the church's needs. Turning on the Track Times option will populate 3 time slot fields. These fields can have both numbers and letters. If you want more than 3 time slots, you can click the 3 dots in the top right corner to add more. Fill in the time slots you want to track by typing them in line with the folder. The changes on this window are automatically saved. You can delete any folder by clicking on the trash can icon. If there are existing attendance dates within that folder, a message will display the total number of attendance dates within that folder, prompting you to agree to delete all of the dates and any records in that folder. Please note, these changes cannot be reversed. Once you've created a folder, you can add dates to record attendance. If the folder displayed is not the one you're taking attendance for, use the drop-down to select another folder. Click Add Date. The date will default to 7 days after the most recent date. If this is a new folder, the date will default to the first Sunday of the year. You can edit the date if needed by clicking into the field and overwriting the text. The description for each date will default to the folder name. You can overwrite the text in that field to reflect something more specific, such as Palm Sunday or Easter. If you are not tracking times, the column header will read Attended, and a blue 0 will appear. Click the 0 to open up a listing of all individual records in Icon. Mark off names of those who attended, or click Add All or Remove All to add or remove all records from the attended list. Use the 3 dots in the top right to add filters as needed. If you are tracking times, you will see Attended Time and HC Time. The attended time works the same as the attended before. Click on the 0 to mark off who attended. With multiple time slots, if you want to use Add All or Remove All, you will have to select the correct time slot. If you want to track just a head count instead of specific individuals, click on the 0 text field under HC Time and enter the head count. The total number of individuals marked as attended will replace the 0 on the main window. The attendance can be updated at any time by clicking the number. To view who has attended a certain date, click the View icon. Dates, just like folders, can be deleted by clicking on the trash can icon for a specific date. If you want to copy attendance from one event to another, you can click Copy Attendance. Select the folder and date you want to copy, and the folder and date that you are copying that attendance to, and click Copy Information to complete this action. This will copy attendance records from one date to another without affecting the existing attending records from the original date. To move attendance from one date to another, click Move Attendance. This will move the attendance dates and the records associated with it from one folder to another. On the left of the window, under the Move From menu, choose the folder to move attendance dates out of. Select each date by checking the boxes next to them. Under the Move To menu on the right side of the window, choose the folder to move the selected dates to. Click Move Dates to complete this action. For attendance reports, click on the button at the top of the window. At the end of the year, you can continue to add dates to your current folder and simply change the year on the folder, or you can add a brand new folder. Thanks for watching!